Good afternoon. I'm Vikas Singh, working as research scholar at Lakshmi National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior, India. It's a pleasure to be here this afternoon and to be a part of this sixth virtual international conference on International Congress on Physical Education and Sports Science 2021. So I'm sharing my screen with you so that I can start my research study presentation. So here is title effect of 6 weeks online with training of Vinyasa on explosive leg strength of school going students during COVID-19. A pilot study. Explosive strength is defined as the individual ability of the neuromuscular system to manifest strain in the shortest possible time span. And as we all know that when we have a working legs, that not only helps in muscle imbalance in correcting them, but also aid in injury recovery. It also increase overall balance for those who participate in active activities like games and sports will help with many skills like jumping, running, and other powerful movements that are of vital importance to enhance their performance. When we talk about yoga, it's a long history, more than 5,000 years, and have many schools of yoga. One of school is Hatha Yoga, and Vinyasa is a form of Hatha Yoga that emphasizes essentially the movement synchronized with breath and is a vigorous style based on a rapid flow through sun salutation. We start with sun salutation and carry on with various postures, various asanas during this whole vinyasa session or whole vinyasa training. In the last few decades, this form of yoga gained most popularity not because of its style but also effective results. When we talk about in research aspect, when we talk about its effect, its result on our physiological body changes, on our physical changes, motor abilities, and our cognitive abilities. So the purpose of this study was to find the effect of 6 weeks online vinyasa training on explosive leg strength of school-going students during COVID-19. For the study, 30 school-going students from government school of North Delhi selected as a participant. Age range 12 to 14 years. Health-related fitness variable was explosive leg strength, and subjects further divided randomizedly in experimental group and control group. For the study, training schedule was applied to experimental group during 6 weeks as 60-minute training for 5 days a week for 6 weeks. Here is a table with an example during a microcycle for experimental group for that intervention group with test battery, Surya Namaskar, standing vinyasa series, that 11 yogic postures, in plank 5 postures, prone vinyasa 7 postures, in supine 5 poses, that's postures. And here is a duration, how Surya Namaskar 12 rounds, of each round 10 second, total 12 steps, 12 postures, means 120 seconds, rounds 3, total duration 360 seconds. Same way standing vinyasa 11 postures, 110 second, one set, number of rounds 3, total duration, and plank 5 postures, 50 seconds, 3 round, 150 seconds, prone vinyasa 7 postures, 70 seconds in one round, the total number of rounds 7, total number of seconds 210, and supine with 50 seconds, number of rounds 3, total duration 150. Here you have to note each subject was relaxed in Savasana for 3 minutes after performing every round. One round consists of 5 batteries, starting with Surya Namaskar to Supine Vinyasa series, followed with 3 minutes of Savasana, then next round. So each position was of 10 seconds. Asana practice 20 minute, yeah, means 1200 seconds, and total training program schedule was 26 minutes. Indirectly, that directly in, if we convert in second, it is 1560 seconds. The test we used was standing broad jump for the execution of this training for the outcome of result, which was taken from the Harvard Fitness Youth Test. Statistical tool ANCOVA used. Level of significance was set 0.05 level, and all data were obtained twice as pre-test and post-test, before and after training, to examine the results of this study. Here are results with table and ANCOVA table of standing broad jump after training. Here you can see that F value 28.8, which is significant because its label p value is lesser than 0.05. It is 0.00. And when we compare to groups mean after training, and here in pre-test you can see also that F value, which is also significant for that purpose, so that F value is significant at pre-test, so it shows that initial condition of the control group and experimental group are not same, and that's why that ANCOVA we applied with the adjusted mean, so that their adjusted values of the criterion variables can be controlled as a covariant. And here is a graphical representation of control group and experimental group with adjusted mean and their standard deviation. In the present studies, that statistical result revealed that 6 weeks Vinyasa training program is effective in improving leg strength, explosive leg strength of school going student. The ANCOVA test for the dependent variable exhibited that there was a significant difference on explosive leg strength of school going student in control and experimental group. In previous studies like study of Malpathy RP 2017, the purpose was initiated to assess the effect of yogic and physical exercises on leg explosive strength. And for this purpose, he took 300 students studying in various classes and age group of 14 to 16 years as a subject. It was drawn conclusion that after a training of yoga and physical exercise, both training have improved their leg strength, that explosive leg strength, and their agility significantly increased found in the explosive strength among the physical exercise group compared their counterpart compared to that control groups. The finding of our study reported that the subject who were involved in online Vinyasa program improved in explosive leg strength variable than control. This can be partially explained by the fact that the subject included in our study were sedentary school going children with no previous experience of systematic training in their past. The 5 days a week Vinyasa program may have induced sufficient stimulus to improve the general health related abilities of students. So the result of this study contributes in recognizing Vinyasa training as a form of yoga as a potential tool for a full and lasting physical development of children. It is also important to highlight that the practice of yoga for children must be developed in a playful manner and covering all aspects of children development, so they not only enjoy that training, but at the same time our purpose should be fulfilled. Hence, the researcher can conclude that 6-week Vinyasa training program is effective in improving explosive leg strength of school-going students. This pilot study further encourages researchers to proceed with a large scale study on similar studies. And from a perspective of health related physical fitness, it is very well accepted that vinyasa, a form of yogic practice, home based exercise program, established its significant improvement leading to a fit body. Statically, it is also concluded that after implementing 6 weeks online vinyasa training program, we found that the F value, that is 28.832 for the standing broad jump, is significant because the p value associated with it is 0.00, which is less than 0.05. Thus, the research hypothesis of significant difference among the adjusted mean for the data on criterion variable of vinyasa training, which was we used in experimental and active, that control group may be accepted at 5% level, and thus null hypothesis is rejected. Also, in light of conclusion drawn, following recommendations are made. First, the study may be helpful to assess the effect of vinyasa on other variables beside explosive leg strength. Second, the study can also be conducted on various age groups and other sex. So these were my findings and conclusions that I made. Thank you.